I think that's one of the biggest factors of using AI is your ability to access information and translate it into things you actually understand. It's going to be really easy too, and I'm going to teach you how to do it right now. Using personal interests to both learn and retain complex lessons. Now, if you think about your favorite teacher, what was that teacher able to do? She was able to connect a subject that was probably boring and make it fun and exciting and interesting. And now instead of being bored in class, you were engaged and you just loved this teacher and how they presented the information. And what they probably did was take a personal interest that you had, maybe one you didn't even realize you had, and then applied it to the lesson. And you could do that with AI. If you need to quickly understand quantum physics, plus you love golf. Any golf players in here? Yeah, I got a few. Good networking, awesome for marketing. But you get really into it. There's lots of gear. There's lots of aspects to it. It's an intelligent game that requires a lot of skill. It requires a lot of effort. And you probably love it. You love going out there. You know everything about it. You know all the players. And so you could use that love of golf to translate anything you want. So what I did was I had to explain quantum superposition. This is quantum mechanics. And it said in classical golf, the ball is in only one place at a time. You hit it, it flies through the air, and it lands. But in quantum golf, things are different. Imagine you hit a golf ball, and instead of it flying in a single trajectory, it takes every possible path at the same time. It's as if the ball is everywhere on the course at once. This is similar to the concept of superposition, where a quantum particle can be in multiple states at once. Now, you don't understand quantum physics, but now you understand the context and how it works, and that's something that if I tried to explain it in terms of quantum particles, you would have zero understand what, oh, a quantum particle is everywhere at once. That means nothing to you, but a golf ball flying across a golf course and the possibilities that offers, now you have a basic understanding. So I didn't have to give you a bunch of context about quantum mechanics. I could just explain it in terms of golf, and you love golf. And you could learn every lesson like this, and it's free. You could literally feed ChatGPT anything you want and explain this in terms of swinging a golf club, and it'll do it for you. And so this is where the education factor is going to come in, and it's going to change everything, because now you don't have to have the best teacher in the world. As long as that teacher has a system and can apply that system to your interests, now you can teach them anything. And people won't just learn it, they'll understand it. They'll like the lesson. And now they could take that information and do anything that they want. It's an incredible thing.